Yeah, man. Goodness and mercy follow me. Every step, every day, Jah cover me way. Goodness and love them follow me like from morning sun till the end of night. Everywhere me go, Jah dey by me side. In him house, me nah go hide. Walk through valley, me heart no fear. Jah light the path, invite me here. When storm them rise and road get rough, Him grace remind me strong enough. Goodness and love them follow me like from morning sun till the end of night. Everywhere me go, Jah dey by me side. In Him house, me abide. From a barn till me gray hair show, Jah faithfulness a overflow. No rental place me nah pass through. Jah house me home forever true.
All me days, all me years, me dwell with Jah, no more fears.
Me people, remember to subscribe to Afro-Zion Choir. More Zion vibes are come. Bless up.